Got this white trash? Many people just throw it away. But did you know, it's not just trash, it's hidden treasure. Styrofoam, often considered useless waste, can actually be turned into super strong wood varnish, property protectors, and even high-value craft materials. Don't throw it away. Don't waste it. With a little thinner and creativity, you can transform this waste into an economical and environmentally friendly household solution. Jutan orang belum tahu trik ini tapi kamu akan jadi yang pertama memanfaatkannya. Many people throw away styrofoam, but this white waste can be processed into wood coatings, termite-resistant varnish, and even valuable crafts. Check out this easy way to recycle styrofoam using only paint thinner. It's economical and practical. In front of me is an empty container, but soon, its contents will turn into something very useful. I started filling the container with small pieces of white styrofoam that I had broken off one by one. I put them all in until they were full. Next, I pour in a sufficient amount of thinner. It doesn't need to be much, just enough to meet my needs. Slowly, the styrofoam begins to dissolve, changing texture, and this is the beginning of the creation of a homemade wood sealant, cheap, effective, and of course, budget-friendly. From discarded waste, it's now a household solution that can protect wood surfaces from weather and termites. I knew it could be this easy. Now the mixture of styrofoam and thinner has started to dissolve perfectly. The texture is thick, slightly cloudy. This means it's ready to use. Today, we're going to use this homemade coating to treat old wooden surfaces that have been damaged by years of sun and rain. With this layer, the wood will be protected, look refreshed, and most importantly last much longer. Let's go ahead and see how it performs when applied. Today, I'm working on something truly special. In front of me is an old wooden bed frame, aged, faded, and no longer glossy like it once was. At first, styrofoam seems like nothing but trash, white, light, and disposable. But when you break it into small pieces and mix it with just enough thinner, something magical happens. It dissolves into a thick, strong coating liquid perfect for protecting and reviving old wood. Now, I'm applying the mixture gently onto the wood. Slowly, stroke by stroke, the wood begins to respond. The dull surface starts to shine again. The grain of the wood reappears, as if saying thank you. This project doesn't just save me money, it saves memories. It gives purpose to something that was nearly thrown away, and it gives new life to materials most people would never think to reuse. This is what it means to preserve, not by buying new things, but by valuing what's already part of our journey. And now the result is finally visible. The wood that once looked dry, faded, and lifeless now shines with a new glow. The dull, tired surface is gone, replaced by a warm, natural sheen that brings out every grain and detail of the wood. This isn't just about making old furniture look good. It's about giving it new purpose, new life. A few hours of effort, a touch of creativity. And what was once considered trash has become the key to restoration. This is the result of care, patience, and the belief that even the simplest things can make the biggest difference. And that's the end of today's video. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.